Hello students, you had already studied chapter 2 Climate of India. I am sure you must have written the question answer which was sent by me. So, if you study the questions and answers to memorize or remember, it is very difficult. So today I like to give some suggestions and to tell you some facts how to study the question answers. If you study the questions, many questions like give reasons are based on the factors which affect the climate of India, like the location, the Tropic of Cancer, the main latitude passes through India, Himalayas located in the northern part of India, and the winds, the monsoon winds which affect all over India. Also some places located at the sea coast, some in the interior distance from the sea. Some places on the Himalayas or hill stations located on a high altitude. So all these factors affect the climate of India. Based on this, some questions are asked like Mumbai is cooler than Delhi in summer. Why? You have to see the location of Mumbai. It is located at the sea coast. So it is always cooler because cool sea breeze moderates its temperature. But Delhi, as it is located far from the coast and located in the interior part, it does not get any influence by the sea, and therefore it has always high temperature during summer season, and it is located in the temperate zone. Like that, based on altitude, Ooty located in the south, though it is located in the tropical zone, it should have high temperature, but Ooty is cooler than Kochi. Why? Because Ooty is the hill station located in southern peninsular India. Because of high altitude, there is lower temperature, and though Kochi is located at the sea coast, its temperature is higher than Ooty. As temperature decreases at the rate of 1 degree Celsius for every 165 liters of acid. So like these questions, if you understand and write, it will be answered properly. If you see the Himalayas, it is located in the northern part of India. Based on this, questions can be asked. In winter, northern plain does not freeze. Why? So, the main reason is Himalaya. Because of great Himalayan ranges located in the north that protects India from severe cold wind blowing from Central Asia or Siberia. So, northern plain is being protected due to the great Himalayas, and that does not freeze in winter season. So, like these factors affect the climate of India, and based on this, questions are asked. If you study, some questions are based on the different types of seasons found in India, like cold weather season, hot weather season, southwest monsoon season, and retreating monsoon season. In cold weather season, you should think about two important factors which affect the climate of India. They are western disturbance and northeast monsoon. Based on these, questions are asked. Punjab receives winter rainfall. Why? So, very simple. You should remember the direction of western disturbance, which is a low pressure system, originates over Mediterranean Sea and reaches India with the help of westerlies and affects the northern part of India. So, Punjab lies in the northern part, receives rainfall by the western disturbance. In winter, December, January, February, Northeast monsoon blows from northeast over Bay of Bengal, carries moisture and that brings rainfall in the eastern coast of India. Based on this, question can be asked. Tamil Nadu receives winter rainfall. Why? So the main reason and source of rainfall is northeast monsoon. So if you remember the direction of wind, the main influencing factors, it is very easy to answer. Based on southwest monsoon and the rainfall which occurs all over India, some questions are asked. Like, in the northern plain, Kolkata or Patna receives more rainfall than Delhi. Why? So, if you see southwest monsoon blowing from southwest, reaching to the northeast, the Bay of Bengal branch, sheds its moisture in the northeast, and because of great Himalayas, it turns northwestward, and because of this, rainfall decreases from east to west due to its long journey and shedding its moisture in the northeast. So, Patna or Kolkata is located to the east of Delhi. They receive good rainfall, and by the time they reach from east to west, moisture decreases and there is less rainfall in the western part of India. Based on this, again you can get question. Western Ghat, the western slope of Western Ghat receives heavy rainfall. Why? If you remember the main characteristic of southwest monsoon, it is orographic in nature. Wherever there is mountain barrier in the windward side, there is heavy rainfall. Here, Western Ghat is forming a mountain barrier, and because of a heavy moisture-laden wind stacks against the high mountain ranges, and the western coastal region he receives very heavy rainfall, and the leeward side of the mountain, this Western Ghat, receives less rainfall. And if you see the southwest monsoon of Arabian Sea branch, rainfall decreases from south to north. Based on this also question can be asked. The coast of Kerala receives heavy rainfall or heavier rainfall than the coast of Maharashtra. Why? Because rainfall decreases from south to north. Again, based on the south-west monsoon, question can be asked. Western part or northwestern part of India does not receive rainfall by the southwest monsoon. Why? When southwest monsoon of Arabian Sea branch reaches to the interior part, Aravalli mountain is parallel to the wind direction, cannot obstruct moisture bearing wind. So there is no rainfall. In the western part, other mountains are low in height, they cannot form mountain barrier. And the temperature in Rajasthan is so high, therefore condensation cannot take place. There is no formation of cloud. So there is no rainfall or very less rainfall by southwest monsoon. If the question is asked related to southwest monsoon of Bay of Bengal branch, that Mausineram receives heaviest amount of rainfall. Why? It is located to the windward side of Khasi hills. All these Meghalayan hills are the mountain barriers for southwest monsoon of Bay of Bengal branch. All at sudden, with full of moisture when they reach, they struck against this mountain which is funnel shaped, obstructs and brings heavy rainfall, and this is the wettest place in the world. So, based on different type of climate, if you remember the wind direction, the places, their location, you can easily answer any question. Do learn. Thank you.